Hey, so this happened to my telescoping ladder from Amazon while I was on it, doing something on the mothership's roof. Take a look. What I'm replacing it with is a Franklin from Harbor Freight. Let me show that to you. So I bought that. It's on sale at Harbor Freight for $149. I bought a 2-year replacement warranty for 22 bucks. Why not? Especially after that happened with my telescoping ladder. So this one goes into 24 Kama Sutra positions. Actually, not Kama Sutra, but it goes into 24 different positions and it looks more solid to me. So when I open it up, I'll show you what it looks like opened up. And tell you how this ladder compares to the telescoping ladder. To me, it's more sturdy. What it looks like unbagged. There's the locks. All right, this is a good position for the mothership because as you can see, I'm not too far from the roof. So if I'm washing the body or having to deal with the awning, I have something other than just that straight telescoping ladder. So that's a good thing. It's pretty simple. There's a hinge lock up here, and then there's 4 of these locks. You take the ladder and slide it up. Now you would adjust the ladder according to how you want your A-frame or how tall you want it standing up. And I feel like the more double the rungs are, like this, the better. See behind me? I'm gonna show you in person how to make this ladder change shape and show you what it looks like when it's straight up. It's really worth the money. I'm gonna try to get it into an opening, and if that don't work, I have to find another spot for it. Being in this mothership, there are limited space, as everyone should know or learn when they become full-timers. So I'm gonna try to fit it, check it out. Fit there. Okay, I got it in there. I think this is the only spot I'm going to be able to find it. We have the 2 gravity chairs, a spare tire for the tow dolly, and I don't want to sacrifice that space. So let me turn the camera around and show you where I got it, right up at the front. Perfect fit. I recommend this. $149 at Harbor Freight. It goes to 24 different positions. You can buy another one and use it as a scaffolding. It's a reasonable price. I paid $120 for the telescoping, which was compact. This one's about a little over 5 foot, weighs about 32 pounds, and it'll fit nicely in my basement storage. So there you have it. There's the Franklin ladder. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll fill you in as best I can. I'm gonna go up there and unclog this gutter so the air conditioning condensation has someplace to go. Make sure you hit that alert button. There may be more Pennsylvania to see and more on our journey. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Thanks for coming back to this boring episode of Darkness Travels.